You will not hit doubles and homers with a put the ball in play mindset. And the reason why you have a put the ball in play mindset is because you're afraid to strike out. You're afraid to swing and miss, and you're afraid to fail. When you let fear creep in, it limits what you can actually do. We're trying to produce power, but if we have fear, it suppresses it. We're trying to be quick, but if we have fear, it slows us down. Swinging and missing, striking out, it's a part of the game. And heck, 7 out of 10 times you're going to fail. So what the heck are you afraid of? If you want to hit more doubles and homers, here's a little tip for you. You probably have to swing and miss a little bit more. But if you're not being explosive, if you're not trying to annihilate the baseball, you're not going to get the results that you want. So what tends to happen is we tend to cut our swing down, make sure we can just touch the baseball, but then we get upset when we're not hitting the ball out of the infield. If you want to hit more doubles and homers, you got to get your mind right and you got to be explosive. And if you're looking for a program that'll help you get more explosive and get your mind right, send me a DM and I'll get you more information on my remote training where we dive heavily into the brain and also how to be more explosive.